Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Steam content file locked. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these two commands. Copy and paste it one by one. After finishing both commands, just close stuff here. The second step, open up Steam. Click on the Steam tab on the top and select settings. Select the downloads. Now on the download region, click on the drop down and you want to set your region to the closest to where you live. And after selecting it, scroll down, clear download cache, select the clear cache option and select confirm. After doing this, that step, you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.